Well, what do we have here? The replacement. Looks like that front fender's a little rusty, but the rocker looks really good. 99. Extended cab. Had some front end damage, looks like. This side's really clean. What we got going on in here? Shackles ain't ripped off yet. It's got a hitch on it. Look at these brake lines. Wow, they're like a brand new. I think this thing is kind of low mileage too. 80,000 or something, I think, on it. Look at this tailgate. Wow. They didn't put nothing in this bed, huh? This thing is fresh. Holy. We're not even gonna know what to do. Even sounds brand new. We got a big dent here, but we ain't worried about that. We're worried about the structure. Look at this. Still got the wax on here. Look at that. See it? That's rare. Steel gas tank. 4-wheel drive. Extended cab. Not a fan of the wheels, but I guess they're alright. It looks like he changed the rad support out. I think he bought this hood off of me. So we need a battery tray and a battery. Looks like some fan shrouds. I don't know if this radiator is twisted or just not in there correctly. Look how clean this motor is though. Man, this thing is in good shape, huh? 1999. We're missing the inner wheel well over here. I don't know if we have that in the back or not. Looks like the back bumper's here. Here's the wheel well. That might be a passenger side. I might have to get one out of my parts truck here. Fender's mangled. Sheesh. I guess they crunched this thing pretty good, huh? The door seems fine. Man, it smells like a brand new truck in here, guys. Look at this thing. Got the third door. Brand new headlights. You never put in there. Got the jump seat. Single jump seat. Man, this thing smells like a brand new truck. Look at how fresh this thing is in here. Headliner's beautiful. Man, the visors aren't falling apart and all sun bleached. Is that the mileage? 42,572? No way. Is this thing really that low? I can't remember what he said the mileage was on this, but it might be 40,000. It smells like 40,000, I know that. I don't know, guys. We might have found a replacement. We just got to put it back together. Wow, look at this rocker. Wow, guys, look. Oh my Lanta, it's rust free. Now this is legitimately rust free. I can't believe it's still got the wax on the frame. Wow, guys, we might have to fix this one too. Oh, we wanted to buy another Astrovan, but man, boy, she's in really good shape. Alright, we might have a replacement. Definitely did take a good hit over here. Oh, look, there's like a yellow pole. Oh yeah, I remember this was an old lady, right? And she crashed it. Something happened. You can see the yellow pole on here. This side is... It might be pushed in a little bit, this whole bedside. Look at the crazing in the paint. Can you see that in the camera? The original paint. Scuffs down the side. Other than that, it ain't bad. This is a 3-door S10, so... Man, look at these seats. Shoo! You ain't never getting one this crispy. Huh. Vortec, automatic, tilt wheel, 4-wheel drive. We got new headlights. It looks like he changed the rad support too. It looks brand new. I think he had to change it because of the, obviously because of the wreck. And this fender might be one I sold him too. Definitely gonna need a little tweaking. Pulling and pushing. It did get into the door a little bit, so this thing got hit pretty hard. It's got it mostly back together though, so well, I guess we got another project, like we need another one, right? But I think this is worth saving. It does look like the frame horn got a little twisted here. See that front frame horn is kind of twisted. Something cut here. So either somebody cut it or she might need a big hammer to get her straightened out, but I'll get it back together. This looks like a decent truck. I had to take the battery out of the other truck. He said the transcooler's not hooked up somewhere, so we're gonna have to look that up. Here's the remote oil filter housing for the 4-wheel drive, like I deleted off the blue one a couple years ago. We might keep it, we might just delete it like the other one. You can just get rid of all those lines and just do a spin-on filter right on the engine. You got to go get a nipple out of a small block Chevy and then take the block off the engine, and you can fit an Astrovan filter in there around the look at smiley face, around the drive shaft. All right, hopefully we got all the plastic clips and stuff for the headlights. I don't know where that is. We got random parts and bolts here, things, dashboard pieces, turn signals, headlights, aftermarket ones in here. I might want to put the old school front end on it. If we put the old school front end on it, we can usually get away with inspection. They usually don't harass you if it looks like it's old and doesn't need to be inspected. You know, I mean, if they pull you over and run the VIN, they could be like, oh, you need an inspection sticker, and then get a ticket. You can see this is all pushed over. She's definitely going to need some work, boys, but I don't think you're going to find too many 50,000 mile 4-wheel drive S10s with wax still on the frame, especially out of Pennsylvania. It's pretty amazing. All right, we'll save it. I don't even think this thing's had anything more than a grocery bag put in the bed. This bed is mint. Look at that tailgate. It's got all the paint still on it. Never had a bed liner in here. Man. Solid back window, factory tint. Phew, we're liking it. We're moving up in the world. We're getting that brand new 1999. Fresh off the showroom lot. A little bit of rust in that front fender. It's kind of weird. One little spot with rust. Not a big fan of these wheels, but maybe we can find something else. We gotta get back to cutting grass, I know that. Later.